The next step of making your own syrup is to take the sap that you've collected and to boil off the water. And I do that in 2 stages. And anyways, I collect it in a milk jug, or if I have a larger container, I'll use that. And so we're going to take it off the tree here and pour it into a container on top of my stove. So you actually can use this sap. It tastes kind of like maple flavored water, but we're going to boil it down. So I have a container that we use on top of the stove here. Just pour it in. Helps restore humidity in the house, and I boil it down. So like the ratio of sap to syrup is usually like 40-1. So we'll boil most of the water off of here, maybe down until there's an inch or 2 of it left, and then I store that boiled down sap, almost syrup, into mason jars. And when I have a good amount of that, then I'll do the final boil down on an actual electric stove that can regulate temperature better. So there you go. Gotta boil the water off. That's the next step in making your own syrup.